Becoming a trendsetter. In DTI, I really started to change my skin color and makeup before the video. I didn't have idea what flavor I was going to do. So I picked cotton candy flavor because why not? Speed up because I take so long. Okay, I'm done with the makeup. Let's do a hair combo. I can't wait for Trendsetter right now. Finally, after 100 years, let's go to change my clothes. I was looking the Halloween items that can work with my outfit. But sadly, I can't find something that looks good, so I go to VIP and I pick this dress.
We need something to layer on.
I don't like the dressing rooms a lot, but that is okay.
Layering tiny.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Another layering time. The time is almost over and I'm not finished yet, oh my god. Yay, I finish on time, D. Oh my god, she ate. That's my favorite dessert, oh my god. I like the layering, but I don't like her makeup, but she's still eating. Another favorite dessert, oh my god. This looks cute, but again, I don't like her makeup. This girl left the game in record time. I don't have words. I don't like mint ice cream, but this outfit looks good. It's my turn, Sue. It's time to slay.
Pose time. D.
I like this outfit, oh my god. I'm sorry, but I have to say it, this looks a vampire, no, a cherry flavor. But after all, she looks good.
No words. Speed up, because she didn't pose.
OMGG warning loud sound. Oh my god, I'm a trendsetter. I'm crying, guys, finally. I am finally a trendsetter, OMGG.
Taking screenshots. Let me put it in English, yeah, I speak Spanish.
Yuppie, I am a trendsetter. My dream item. I got first place, ah. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. I see you in the next video.